Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the fundamental building blocks, creating awesome YouTube videos, basic video shooting rules. Even the most captivating content can fall flat if the visuals are shaky or poorly lit. By mastering this basic tool, you will elevate your videos and keep your viewers engaged. So grab your smartphone and let's get filming. Ever notice how some photos and video just seem more visual pleasing? Well, there's a secret weapon called the rules of third. Dividing your camera frame into 3 by 3 grid. Now position your subject at one of the intersecting point instead of the dead center. This simple trick creates a more balanced and visually interesting composition. Speaking of visual interest, let's talk about background. Don't let a cluttered mess distract your viewers from your message. Choose a clean and uncluttered background that complements your content. A plain background works great for talking head videos. You can also use green screen if you want to remove your background, while a location shot can add a context to your vlogs. We also need short variety for our videos. Imagine watching a video with nothing but close-up shots for 5 minutes. Yo, right? To keep your viewers engaged, you need to vary your shot size. Use wide shots to establish this scene, medium shot for a more personal touch, and close up to emphasize important details. Now we are going to talk about filming fundamentals. Talk about the technical aspect of capturing great footage. First up, camera stability, shaky footage, scream, amateur. Invest in a tripod for ultimate stability, or find a sturdy surface to rest your camera on when filming handheld. Another crucial element is audio. Background noise is the enemy of clear communication. Try to film in a quiet environment and position your microphone, even a smartphone mic, close to the sound source. So if you use microphone in your video, this is going to be very helpful for your audience to understand what you actually talk about, and they can hear better in your video. Now let's talk about the lighting. Good lighting is key for clear and professional looking visuals. Where possible, utilize the power of natural light. In the past video, we are going to talk more and more about which light you can use. So if you are filming one person only, then you sit down in middle, and your left and right side you can use two light for no shadow or no video noise. For more light, and it can reduce your shadow in your video. That's how you can reduce your noise in your video. And then we need a tripod for our video. So if you are making a moving video, then your video may shaky. So reduce this, use tripod. If you are making vlog videos, then stabilization feature, if it's not available in your mobile, then you can also use tripod to stabilize your video. Now talk about some mistake beginners make now to avoid. Excessive zooming can be nauseating, and remember, we live in a horizontal world. Film your video horizontally, not vertically for YouTube. But if you want to create shorts video for your YouTube channel, then you can create video vertically. This is a very broad subject, how to film a video, but in this video I am going to show you some basic tips and tricks how you can easily make your video more beautiful. By mastering these basic filming fundamentals, composition, shot variety, camera stability, audio and lighting, you will be well on your way to creating professional looking YouTube videos that will impress your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment, have fun, and keep filming. And if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, then subscribe this channel.